Whether it's a leaking tap in a rental property or the construction of a commercial building, our commercial and industrial plumbing division provides full-service plumbing, hot water, drainage and gas installations, repairs and maintenance services, serving all market sectors and property types. We understand that time is money and provide progress reports to ease the worry and stress of your project management. We provide upfront pricing and are on time every time. We specialise in ensuring your systems and maintenance will be compliant with all local codes and regulations through our stringent inspection and maintenance programs. Contact Rapid Plumbing Group at our website or simply call us on 1800 172 743. When you need a plumber, call us. We'll be there in a flush.